yeah. Yeah, they are. The Aaron Martin grip, just like the Chronos. Does it really? Suzhou. Here they come. Hmm. What were they talking to you about? Yeah. Yeah, one. Johnny Wheels. Yeah. Exactly. Oh shit. Shit, son. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, son. Oh. No, that's a snag. Woo. What did they do with the horseshoe crab? They actually cook it? It's gross, man. I haven't seen a horseshoe crab in here in a while, though. Yeah. Or jellyfish. They're all kind of cleared out since July. Yeah, that's what. Oh, mullet, not peanuts.
How come they're not exactly the same size?
Yeah,
I was gonna switch to another color, but I'm thinking that.
the mullet looks just like it, right?
I thought they were gonna try a bunker.
That's what I thought they would
I
do.
was like, those are mullets. Yeah, mullet.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
where's
I eat bunker. I eat mullet. Okay.
Uguay-to? Is that what they call it? For shingu. Mullet shingu. He was like, how much? How much?
Zookeeper's not bad. The design. That's how you're supposed to use it.
Yeah,
The big hook and then the little hook for like tiny drop shots
goes into the little.
goes into the hole.
Ah.
And then the big hook goes like this. Pretty secure. It's held off the flank.
That does look pretty
Yeah,
good.
like the treble hooks and stuff. Goes
Yeah,
into
it doesn't. I mean, I know like you don't like it because sometimes the wrap will go around it, but I haven't had any issues with it.
I don't like it because if you hook it this way,
Yeah.
the hook point sometimes dig into the flank.
Oh, into the pot. Yeah.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I don't like it for the foot or the fly.
Guarantee you on this cast I'm gonna catch a sea robin. Oh. That felt like a sea robin. That's it. It's the buoy beast. They're hard to find. Alright. I'm just jiggling this. I'm just jiggling this right. Come on, buoy beast. No, you're right here. And my expectations. What do you mean there's no more fluke?
Today should be like we're fishing for weeks, man. Okay? Oh, I think we caught a couple.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Feels like a sea robin. Is that a weak fish? Damn. Oh, no. I was like, man, that looked like a weak fish from the side. It's their signature, like, it's nice, man. I know, it's so scared. Huh, it's like a dog. That's a fluke. Oh, that came off. Small one. That's what's dancing. That's making him jingle. Son. Oh, gosh. Sea robin? Maybe. Yep. That one. It's a fluke. It's a small one. Either that or it's a snapper. It's a fluke. A little one. this is. Probably a small fluke. Maybe a weak fish. That's true. Sea robin? Sea robin? Sea robin? Sea robin? Yes. I guess right. I can't get over how big that lip is. Mm-hmm. Oh, son. It's a fluke. Or a robin. Fluke don't travel laterally like this. Oh! Son! Son! There you go. Wow. I definitely hit the arteries. Nice knife, man. That's... no. That was midway through the retrieve. Yeah. Son! I said it on camera. Just a little bit of weight on this one. Yep. Unless I fell hooked it. The head shakes doesn't make it appear like a big fluke though. Oh no. Just upside down. I'm gonna film you. Woo. It could be weak fish because it fights like a fluke. Oh, real nice. I have you on camera too. Shit's a lot of fun. Oh, it's a fluke? Ooh. Not a bad one.